Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I've got in my hands this newer TCL 60XE NXTPAPER 5G. So it's a bit of a mouthful. But TCL, it's a phone we haven't seen quite in a while on our channel here. But actually they provided really good value. I gotta admit that they, for what you're paying for it, you got some pretty neat little features out of it. Definitely not mainstream devices, but it comes in a pinch. I mean, for what you really need. And the next paper models have a sort of e-ink sort of style to them. Now, I haven't heard from the folks yet what they were charging for this, and it doesn't look like this was a brand new one, or maybe they had some internal testing before they sent it to me. So it looks like it was unboxed already. But let's take a look at what we got here. Okay, so in here, 6.8 inch. Now, display wise, what was the spec on it? The spec is going to be 1080p, so not quad HD, but not many people need it. A 50 megapixel camera. It's got a 13 in the back as well as a 30 in the front. 6 gigs of RAM. I like to go to 8, but that's just me. Again, this is not going to be for your top end user. 128 gig storage. Good 5,000 milliamp hour battery, especially with that paper mode. Should be pretty cool. So let's see what we got. So very similar to a OnePlus circular design for the camera. I'm actually gonna hide those, but polycarbonate back. It's got a switch there. That's probably the this NXTPAPER mode switcher. We have, that's our SIM tray. We have a headphone jack. Oh my god, I think my kid's gonna immediately take this because it's got a headphone jack. And the screen looks like it has like a screen protector on it, almost like an e-ink display. Let me see if I can just turn this on. Let me see if there's any juice in it. Well, that's booting up. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, got a little instruction manual. We got like a SIM pusher. We've got a cord, USB A to C, and we got a charger, right? USB A charger. Okay, so, I mean, not many people are sending out wall warts anymore, so if you get one, enjoy it, but I'm actually still surprised that it has a headphone jack. Wow. Okay. Let's take a look here. So, if I hit this switch, it doesn't, probably not going to do anything right now. Might have to do some things, but anyways, I'll go around and play with it. If you have any questions about it, I'd love to be able to update you on what the price is going to be. It looks like it's a dual SIM, so this might be great for traveling. The fact that you might be able to put another SIM in it, and the screen, because it's got the, I guess, the other display style on it, it does have almost like a haziness to it. It's hard to really show off, but it's got that there, and I think it's going to be more some novelty versus somebody who really wants to use it like a real phone. That's a weird way to say it, but yeah. Let me play around with it, and I'll get back to you in a second.